Hello from Slovenia again. Today we will try something fun. I have this spring. It's weird that it's called spring. I don't know. And I want to pour over it like I do with the magic wand or whatever and see what kind of pattern we will get. So never tried. I didn't search if anyone did, probably did, how it came, so I don't know. I will just go for it. And I will work with some blues today, and I have sky blue light. I will use some of my pearl white mixture. I have brilliant blue, 24K gold, phthalo blue, aqua flash, Prussian blue, and I will add a little bit of black just for contrast, and sky blue again. Okie doke, so let's see. Definitely an interesting thing. I have some white for flow extender that I will just pour around here, and I will spin before I will remove this. I didn't have it in the middle, so let's remove this thing. Where did my gold went? not sure what to think about this. Let's spin it out and then we can always pour over it. I kind of don't like that white in the middle. I don't know. As I said, I'm not a big fan of it, so you know what I will do? I will layer one more cup, but I will not have this white on the bottom, and I will place this spring like that. Will it stay? And I will try to pour into this. So let's do that. You know what? I didn't have enough paint, so let's continue. So here she is dry. Definitely a weird one, but I liked, when I have my spring vertically, because on one part colors blend and on one part it creates kind of lines and rings, almost like a geode or whatever look. Sorry for the glare, but it's so dark outside because it's cloudy. But you see here the colors blend more, and here it creates kind of rings. So definitely an interesting experiment. Maybe if it would be on the round canvas it would be better. Maybe if I would use more contrasting colors, but it was definitely an interesting one. So yeah, this is the dried result of this experiment. Have a nice day and see you again on the next one. Bye!